Okay, guys. So I did a little recording of today, but my microphone was muted, so I had to do overlay here. What you're seeing here is that the indicator that is to be announced on Monday. Okay, so what you can see is adding to the position. Okay, so we're scaling in. This is the ES futures. Okay, so you gotta be careful because if you're gonna be trading and adding to the position, you better be doing it. Okay, with maybe micros. Okay, so you won't have those bigger drawdowns. But if you're trying to pass a combine, okay, so it's a test from Apex or whatever. Okay, you can do the minis. Okay, with this program you can control, for example, how many contracts you can trade. For example, you say I want a maximum of three contracts, no more than three contracts scaled in. Okay, it will block after a third contract. Okay, so what else? If you tell it, for example, one trade per bar, for example, it will only do one contract per bar. If you do two, three account three contracts per bar, if there's the three signals in a bar, okay, it will add to the position. Okay, as many times as you want it to add to the position. Okay, so this guy is a high scaler, so you gotta be careful with what you wish and what you do. Okay, so else, if you just want one trade per bar, okay, you will trade one trade per bar. It will add, if there is an imbalance, it will trade it. You can select the stacked imbalances, you can select the point of control, you can select whatever you can copy from the plots of the imbalance. You can do it. You can copy it. Okay, so for example, let's say that you open the program, okay, in the morning, and let's say, for example, you wanted to trade all by itself. It will not do it. You need to trade it with markers. Okay, maybe a high frequency trading signal or an imbalance signal. A scalper signal, or you can trade it by hand. You can trade it manually with your chart trader open, and you can trade it. Okay, so that way you will be able to um, trade. Else, it will not trade alone. It will only, once it starts, once you have a trade opened, it will start adding to the position. Okay, so you gotta be careful with that. If you have an imbalance, it will take the position. Okay, as you can see here, already finished. And basically, that's it, guys. That's what I was talking about. So I'm still finishing a little bit of some things, is to sorting out, so almost ready. Okay, so like I said, there's many people that talk to me that they want to access the program. You can contact me. Okay, so we can sort something out. Any questions, let me know. You know how to find me.